MTU, the Mobile Septage Treatment Unit, is a treatment system mounted on a small truck which can treat the contents of an ideally constructed septic tank. It directly comes to your doorsteps and treats the contents of the septic tank right at the source itself. MTU operates on a robust three-step process: solid-liquid separation, sludge thickening, and effluent treatment. In the first stage, solids are separated from the liquid waste. The solid fraction undergoes sludge thickening, a process that further reduces its moisture content, making it easier and safer to handle. Meanwhile, the liquid or effluent is passed through a scientifically developed filtration system. The treated water, which meets stringent environment norms, can be safely discharged or even reused for non-potable purposes like gardening or landscaping. With an operational capacity of up to 6,000 liters per hour, the MTU is highly efficient and can be deployed in urban, peri-urban, and rural settings with minimal infrastructure. The Mobile Septage Treatment Unit has been tested and validated by global institutions, including Duke University and BITS Pilani Goa campus in 2020. It is approved by the Ministry of Jal Shakti, the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, and has been vetted by a technical committee chaired by the Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India. The MTU is also listed under PSA-approved projects on the Jal Jeevan Mission platform and fully complies with the Central Pollution Control Board standards. The key advantages of MTU are: as a truck-mounted system, MTU can be deployed almost anywhere, especially in areas with no centralized treatment plants. It significantly reduces logistics and fuel cost by treating the waste on-site. It eliminates the need for indiscriminate disposal or dumping of raw septage, helping to keep surroundings clean and safe. Treated liquid meets national and international discharge standards, making it suitable for safe secondary uses. It reduces costs by avoiding transport of the liquid portion. MTU is ideal for small towns or remote areas where fecal sludge treatment plant (FSTPs) or sewage treatment plants (STPs) are unavailable. Behind the smooth and effective functioning of the Mobile Septage Treatment Unit or MTU lies a series of carefully engineered pumps, each performing a vital task in the treatment journey. Let's take a closer look at the core pumps that drive this powerful treatment system. Submersible pump. The submersible pump is used to draw sludge directly from the septic tanks. Sludge dewatering monoblock pump for handling thickened sludge. Filter pump ensures continuous flow of liquid or effluent through the filtration and treatment stages. Polymer dosing pump is used for adding precise quantities of polymer into the coagulation tank. Chlorine dosing pump ensuring disinfection. Finally, the chlorine dosing pump adds a calculated dose of chlorine to the treated effluent. This final step ensures the water is disinfected, pathogen-free, and safe for non-potable reuse, meeting national environmental standards. 1. High-pressure monoblock pump for backwash cleaning. Behind the smooth and effective functioning of the Mobile Septage Treatment Unit or MTU lies a series of carefully engineered pumps, each performing a vital task in the treatment journey. Let's take a closer look at the core pumps that drive this powerful treatment system. Submersible pump. The submersible pump is used to draw sludge directly from the septic tanks. Sludge dewatering monoblock pump. It is used for handling thickened sludge. Filter pump ensures continuous flow of liquid or effluent through the filtration and treatment stages. Polymer dosing pump is used for adding precise quantities of polymer into the coagulation tank. Chlorine dosing pump ensuring disinfection. Finally, the chlorine dosing pump adds a calculated dose of chlorine to the treated effluent. This final step ensures the water is disinfected, pathogen-free, and safe for non-potable reuse, meeting the national environmental standards. 1. High-pressure monoblock pump for backwash cleaning. From raw sludge extraction to clean effluent discharge, these pumps ensure that the MTU delivers safe, decentralized, and sustainable wastewater treatment anytime, anywhere. The process begins with the submersible pump, which draws sludge from the septic tank and transfers it into the coagulation tank. Just beneath the coagulation tank lies the polymer mixing tank, where a precise mixture of polymer and fresh water in a 1:10 ratio is prepared. This polymer solution is then dosed into the coagulation tank, which has a capacity of 220 liters. Inside the tank, an agitator machine ensures thorough mixing of the polymer with the incoming wastewater. This helps the solid particles bind together and settle at the bottom. The partially clarified water now moves into the centrifuge system, Here, the solid and liquid separation takes place. The solid fraction is collected in a 300 micron filter bag, while the liquid is pumped ahead using a 0.5 HP pump into the conical tank, where it undergoes further filtration down to 80 microns. From the conical tank, the water is transferred by a 1.5 HP pump through a series of advanced filtration stages. Sand filter removes particles down to 20 microns. Carbon filter removes color, odor, and organic impurities. First microfilter treats the water to 10 microns. Second microfilter further refines it to 1 micron. Ultrafiltration unit, the final stage where the water is filtered to 0.02 micron pore size, effectively eliminating pathogens, harmful bacteria, and viruses. To complete the process, a chlorine dosing pump adds a controlled amount of chlorine to disinfect the treated water. Screen filter used to treat the wastewater in case there is no sludge or solid content.